In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Etsy listing. If you've made a typo, updated your photos, or changed your pricing, editing a listing is quick and totally safe. Start by opening your browser and going to Etsy.com and make sure you're signed in to your seller account. From the home page, look toward the top of the screen for Shop Manager. Click it to open your seller dashboard. Inside Shop Manager, choose Listings. This is the control center for everything you sell. Use the search bar or filters to find the item you want to update. When you see it, hover over the listing card to reveal its options, or open the menu with the 3 dots. Select Edit to enter the listing editor. Here, take a moment to review the photos first. Reorder them so your strongest image is first, since that becomes the thumbnail shoppers see. Replace outdated photos and add close-ups or size references if you have them. Clear, well-lit images can dramatically improve clicks. Next, refine the title and description. Keep the most important keywords near the beginning of the title and write a clear, friendly description that covers materials, size, color options, and care. If you offer personalization, explain how buyers should provide their details. Update price, quantity, and variations as needed. If the item comes in multiple sizes or colors, check that each variation has the correct price and stock. Review your tags and attributes too. These help your items show up in search, so use accurate, specific terms. If you use shipping profiles, confirm the right profile is attached and that processing times are current. Some shops have a highlight option in the editor. Turn this on if you want the item featured in your storefront, then continue reviewing the rest of the settings. Before you publish, scan everything once more for typos and consistency. It's helpful to preview on mobile or shrink your browser window to see how the first photo and title appear in a smaller layout. When you're confident, click Publish with changes. Your updates will go live right away. Etsy may display a confirmation if any fees or renewals apply based on what changed. Just review and confirm. That's it. Refresh your listings page to double-check the update, and consider favoriting the item or sharing the new photos on social media to drive fresh traffic. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!